Nice. And encourage live fishing. Birthday ni Bel ngayon. Tapos mag-fishing kami dito sa Lumot Lake. Tingnan namin kung makakahuli kami ng bass. Sama namin si Rapi, si Ate Roxanne, tsaka si Marian. Sakay na kami sa boat. Fish on! 9 AM nakahuli. Good size! Nice! Good size!
Feel the raindrops on my skin while you whisper in my ear. Yeah, now my body's shivering. It's magic in the air. We'll find a place by the riverside, far from the noise and the city lights. So giving to love, giving to love. Come down with me by the waterfall. Giving to love, giving to love. Come fly with me by the waterfall tonight.
Nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay. Isa lang talaga yung nahuli naming fish. Buti na lang medyo malaki. Titikman namin mamaya. Ayun, yun na yun. Happy birthday, Bel. Basta.